So here I am with my tiny desk and my little big office, and it's really exciting that it's free. And so one thing that is, I guess I'm just going to leave the grass, more interesting than I am. I have this really wonderful woman in our community that I call a song whisperer. And she gave the note that when you're writing songs or you're going to perform a song, kind of think of the whole overall architecture, which is actually really similar to choreography. You don't want to have the same melody, the same shape all the time, unless that's what your dance is about. Usually it holds the audience interest when you can take them on a journey, and there's maybe still moments and wild moments. And so I'm working with putting together a set, and I'm going to go ahead and go through a whole set. All right. And this first song, I'm going to do a little improvisation with a new technique that I'm thinking, or something that is coming through in the moment. I stood in the river on my ancestors' land, and I watched the water go down, down, down. I stood in the river on my ancestors' land, and I watched the water go down. I turned around to look upstream to see the sun burst through the clouds. The air was sweet with the breeze all around, and I felt complete. Oh, I stood in the river on my ancestors' land. I watched the water go down, down, down. Then I stepped into the river on my ancestors' land, flowing one with the river, down, down, down. Her water was crisp and the eddies were wide. In beauty I was baptized. In beauty I was baptized. I say, come to the river on my ancestors' land, and watch the water go down, down, down. Show respect to the land and give aloha to her. In beauty you'll be baptized. In beauty you'll be baptized. Oh, I love the river on my ancestors' land. How the water flows down, down, down. I love the river on my ancestors' land. How the water flows down, down, down. How the water flows down. I give it to your God self, you give it to my higher self. Your shit's yours, mine is mine. Bonk a head, slap a chest, knee a groin. Excuse me, be my friend, not my foe. Forgive, don't forget, lest we bleep it up again. Life is easy like the ocean, her love is so divine. Tend the garden of your soul, not the chatter of your mind. Religion, is it working? Mother Nature's mighty fine. Breathe her in, breathe her out. Carve out time to slow it down. Make the shift, find your bliss. Be the change you want to see. Be my friend, not my foe. Forgive, don't forget, lest we bleep it up again. Life is easy like the ocean, her love is so divine. Tend the garden of your soul, not the chatter of your mind. Salvation ain't for sinners, but for saints that have forgotten how to dance with their shadows and morph it into light. Your way may not be my way, but we rock it just the same, with as many paths to freedom as stars in the night. So let it be accept me just for who I am. I'll do the same and toss the blame. Forgive, don't forget, lest we bleep it up again. Life is easy like the ocean. Her love is so divine. Tend the garden of your soul, not the chatter of your mind. There were two happy Hawaiians in ukuele town, enjoying some afternoon cheer and an aloha wind. When my best friend said a black and white cat is near, I strutted right over like a cock-a-doodle-doo to see what I could see. When sure enough, from under the truck, a black and white cat appeared. Oh, 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 eh, eh, eh. Oh, 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 hey. Oh, 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 yeah, ooh. When I approached the truck, they seemed kind of struck that I came so near, until I chattered it up about my black and white cat, who I held so very dear. They just want good loving, good food, and time to play around. They just want good loving, good food, and time to snooze around. Then we became three happy Hawaiians in the back of a truck, enjoying some afternoon cheer, chatting it up. Oh, see, that story. You become self-conscious and a happy accident happens. So here we go. Then there were three happy Hawaiians in the back of the truck, enjoying some afternoon cheer, chatting it up about our black and white cats that know so little fear. They just want good loving, oh, good food, and time to play around. They just want good loving, good food, and time to snooze around. Black and white, black and white, black and white cats with the best. Black and white, black and white, black and white cats with the best. So, aloha from the memory of old Kaloa town, a treasure on the garden island of Kauai. It's part of my process of remaking spirituality. You can be born into one paradigm, shed that, and find another. And something from an old paradigm, maybe there was something you liked about it. So don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. Throw out the dirty bathwater and play with the baby. So this baby is a song, allowing words to match where my heart is now with an old melody that always made me feel good. This little heart of mine, I'm gonna let it love. Oh, this little heart of mine, I'm gonna let it love. Oh, this little heart of mine, I'm gonna let it love, let it love, let it love, let it love. Hide it in a volcano, no, I'm gonna let it feel. Hide it in a volcano, no, I'm gonna let it feel. Oh, hide it in a volcano, no, I'm gonna let it feel. That aloha kind of love, that aloha kind of love. Oh, teach me, ancestors, how to know that aloha kind of love. Oh, this little light of ours, we're gonna let it shine like a rainbow, this little light of ours. Oh, we're gonna let it shine like a rainbow, this little light of ours. We're gonna let it shine like a rainbow, charged up with joy. Like a rainbow, charged up with joy. These little gifts of ours, oh, we're gonna use them right. Oh, these little gifts of ours, oh, we're gonna use them right. Oh, these little gifts of ours, we're gonna use them right. Gonna spread the aloha around. Gonna spread the aloha around. I'll draw strong boundaries, but I'm still gonna love. I'll draw strong boundaries, but I'm still gonna love. draw strong boundaries, but I'm still gonna love and choose to be kind. Gonna love and choose to be kind. So I think it's a really great idea to remake a song and have it be relevant to who you are in the present moment. Knowing that it's just the present moment. Things may shift, you may grow, but always, what Thich Nhat Hanh says, a beautiful moment, present moment, lovely moment. Really, the time you have the gifts of breath, life is a miracle. Try not to take a single breath for granted. Sometimes I like to do song improvisations. Amazing life, how sweet the breath that breathes aloha through me, our center beings. I once was very broken, but now I'm fully recovered, and for more gift of life I give thanks. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like to move. Oh, and I love this one. If you're when you're maybe feeling a little down, you can imagine your tailbone as a dog's tail, and just wag your tail and just think, I'm a happy dog. I'm a happy dog. I'm a happy dog. And it just feels good too. All right, enjoy your present moment.